These HMCITY solar lights pack 120 light-emitting diodes into a compact housing, giving surprisingly strong daylight white illumination for paths, patios, and entryways. The three selectable lighting modes, including motion-activated options, make it easy to balance security lighting with energy savings based on where you install them. A sensitive motion sensor quickly picks up movement in front of the fixture, so walkways and door areas light up right when you need them without fumbling for a switch. The high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel and rechargeable battery work together to store plenty of power during sunny days, providing reliable nighttime lighting without any wiring. Durable, high-strength plastic construction and an Ingress Protection 65 waterproof rating help these lights shrug off rain, heat, and other harsh outdoor conditions over the long term. Installation is straightforward with the included hardware, and the small footprint lets you place the six-pack of fixtures in a variety of spots around gardens, garages, and yards.